idiotic. You are the flowers you wish for, you got laid. And it's my nose picking, sharing, homicide, licking here with my best buddy.
Yo, what's good? It's your boy JG10 is back with another video today. So right now we're on the street. We're in the car, and you see there's a wreck going on, like a police officer right there. Hold on, let's see if I can zoom in. Hold on, let's see if I can zoom in. Grandma, can you get closer? If this truck won't get out the way. If y'all can hear the sirens. Oh, there go a fire truck. A fire truck coming. A fire truck coming. Let's go up. Grandma, can you go around so I can get content? Like go around to there.
Where are they going?
They're going around. You should do
I
that.
don't know where they're going.
Can you do it? Can you do the same thing? Like you can go like, yeah, they're going around. Can you go around, Grandma?
No, some of them are asking rocks. I went this way yesterday.
Yo, there's an accident right here. Wait, Grandma, go slow so I can see it. Grandma, don't turn. Grandma, don't turn.
We'll be up there.
Grandma, don't turn. I gotta see what's going on. I gotta see what's going on.
You'll see it when we get up there.
No, I gotta record it to have proof. I need proof. Oh, there's some guy getting. Bro, my screen's so blurry. Grandma, go around. Yo, there's this. Oh, they pulled over some African Americans.
Truck hit somebody.
Guys, this truck hit a guy. They're blocking it too. You see there's police officers right there. There's a. Oh man, this is gonna go. Grandma, can you turn around back so I can see it? I need to get footage. They're talking to the guys right now. Man, I feel bad for the guys that got hit. You see it all the way over there. Grandma, I'm trying to record it. Yeah, there's a lot of traffic going back up. The guy got hit by a truck. I didn't see the guy get hit by the truck, but how do you know he got hit by the truck, Grandma?
The truck hit somebody. He's just sitting there.
Yeah, they're sitting here.
Otherwise he'd be gone.
Yeah, so this is gonna be going on YouTube. They better be careful what they do. And I'll see y'all in my Chinese vlog. This video will probably go out like tomorrow or something, or this video might go out today. I don't know, but I'll see y'all later. Oh wait! Before I go, I don't care, Grandma. Where is it? There you go. There you go. There it goes back there. The ambulance. Alright. Alright, Richard, I know you're gonna see this video. I know some of y'all gonna see this video. It's been your boy JG10. See y'all soon.
Yo, it's your boy, Richard Jordan. Corona needs to go back to her home, cause she looks like a freaking grandma. Corona needs to go back to her home, cause America's not where you belong. Corona is ugly and stupid, she acts like Nike, just do it. Corona needs to go back to her home, cause America's I'm not Nick Jonas. Corona needs to go back to her home, cause America's not where you belong. Corona is ugly, stupid, she acts like Nike, just do it. Corona, I'm not alone. In Arizona, not Barcelona. In a coma, to Arizona, I'm not Nick Jonas.